Hello guys, welcome to the next edition of OU Destination Guide. Today I will be guiding you guys to IyiNzu Waterfall and other places of interest in Ezimo. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Oh boy. Hey. My slippers can really naturally now more. Standing at about 250 feet high, IyiNzu Waterfall, also popularly referred to as Ezimo Waterfall, is one of the tallest waterfalls in Enugu State. Located within Amogu village in Ezimo, Udenu local government area of Enugu State, the community is about 1 hour drive from Enugu. If you wish to visit this breathtaking waterfall from Enugu, take a bus going to Obolafo from Holy Ghost. Stop at Obolafo Junction, take a bike going to Ezimo community. The closest landmark to the waterfall is All Saints Catholic Church. Stop at the church and ask for a direction to the waterfall. There are usually a designated tour guide at the church, and they charge about 500 naira to take tourists to the waterfall. IyiNzu is perfect for both solo or group tours. It is an ideal destination for outdoor activities like party, picnic, hiking, or camping. I am visiting some of the tourist sites in Isuka zone. I'm at Ezimo currently. I will be heading to Ogbozara in Opi. Ogbozara has Udenu Waterfall and cave, and want to check out all these attractions and see which one people are going to be more interested in. The environment is. If you wish to enjoy the best of nature, IyiNzu is a place to visit. Udenu local government area of Enugu State. Other places in the community to visit are IyiNzu Waterfall, Aripo, and Abonge. Abonge, as is properly referred by the community, is a gorge formed over a century ago. Beneath this gorge is a mini cave. The cave is home to a friendly and adorable python. Whenever you visit the community, do well to check it out.
Can you see the python? Can you see it? Wow. Can you? Wow. I wanted to explore this cave, and that's what I'm looking at. Can you? Inside the cave, there's another one inside. Just went far inside when I came in, but this one has been here for a while now. Okay, I don't think I can. Let me allow it to rest.